Mga ka-Nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Mayo, Ryan Yesto. And for today's Tastes Review episode, mga newest products and bestsellers by Samgyup Bites. Samgyup Bites, your Korean favorite in a bite. For their fullest of menus, livery, and other details, I'll provide a description down below. For this episode, this is sponsored brand review. And disclaimer na manos, this is my opinion and my own standards when it comes to brand or taste test reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always ka notified sa my latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. Kapag may nakita yung skip ads, ilang seconds or ilang minutes, huwag niyo pong skip, malaking tulong yon sa aking channel. These are seafood crackers. For this special snack, very precise yung overall flavor, texture, for its seafood, and also for its crispiness for crackers. These are Kimchi Bacon for 8 pieces, 178 pesos. For their bestseller, it consists of premium honey-cured bacon, lettuce, egg, kimchi, and homemade special sauce. It's an excellent combination for its kimchi spiciness and overall ingredients. This is pork Bibimbowl for 119 pesos. For this signature dish consists of bulgogi pork, egg, kimchi, corn, potato, and white onion. One of Patrick's favorite dish for Samgyup Bites, most especially for its well-balanced of flavors and also for its pork essence. The chicken Bibimbowl for 109 pesos. Piece of Korean barbecue chicken, egg, kimchi, white onion, and corn. Who's a big fan of Bibimbowls and chicken flavors, this dish is right for you. It has an outstanding combination for its overall taste value. These are beef Bibimbowl for 129 pesos. It consists of beef bulgogi, egg, kimchi, corn, potato, and white onion. One of my favorite dish, especially for its beefy delicious taste and soft meats. Okay, for rating mga nose, based on my experience and overall review with Patrick, we'll give it a perfect 10. For Samgyup Bites, na-maintain pa rin nila yung overall consistency, they have this unique appearance, and also the dish taste. It comes to Korean foods and other products. Magpasalamat ako kay Patrick for assisting and joining me for this wonderful experience and for his first appearance for a vlog episode, most especially for the event for Streetfood Night Market at SMCT Southpoint. To all the owners, staff, and chef for Samgyup Bites, congratulations and thank you! Manos, see you in the next brand, taste review, or do-it-yourself episode here in City of Love, Iloilo City. Bye!